You are welcome to our online lectures with Farmeternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at mathematics and we have a question on the board. The question says, convert 4 whole number 1/6 in base 10 to a number in base 2. Actually, this question was sent to me by one of my colleagues and I found it necessary to solve it, make a video of it, and share for those that may be in need of it. Alright, let's go. Solution. This question has to do with a number base, but there's one thing we need to understand here. Here you are converting a number in fraction, base 10 to a number in base 2. So this question, this particular number now, this 4 whole number 1/6 is a mixed fraction. It has two parts. It has a whole number and it has the what? The fractional part. So this number now is certain as saying 4 in base 10 plus 1/6 in base 10. This is the whole number part and this is the fractional part. So we will tackle them individually. We will take care of the whole number separately and take care of the fractional part separately. Then add everything together. Now, here, if you take a good look at this will follow a normal way of converting a whole number in base 10 to another base. Here, the base we're talking about now is in base 2. So to convert this 4 in base 10 to 2, we simply do 2 divide 4. So 2 divide 4, we have what? 2 remainder what? 0. Then 2 again, we have 1 remainder what? 0. Then 2 now come up again, we have 2 divide 1, we have 0 remainder what? 1. Remember, we trace upwards. So what it means is that 4 to base 10 is certain as saying what? 100 in base what? 2. 100 to base 2. Now, we'll keep it aside. Now let's tackle this one. So here now we have 1/6 to base what? 10. How do I convert it to base 2? See what you do here. Here, instead of dividing this number by 2 as we did here, we multiply by 2. We multiply by 2. And if we multiply by 2, instead of picking the remainder, we now pick the whole number part. The whole number part, and they send back the fractional part to multiply by 2 again, and we keep doing that until the fractional part becomes 0. If the fractional part refuses to become 0 and keeps repeating itself again, we stop at that point. Now let's go. Here now we have 1/6. So let's go. As I said, we multiply this 1/6 by 2. So we have first step 1/6 by the number, the base you are sending it to, by 2. You have what? 1. This will cancel this. We have what? 3. So we have what? 1/3. 1/3. If you trace here, this is less than, it's not up to 1. It's not up to 1. If you divide this, we have 0.00 point something. So it's not up to 1. We pick 0 because it's not up to 1. So we pick what? 0 here. And push this 1/3 back to multiply by 2 again. So we have 1/3 times 2. We have 2 times 1, you have 2/3. It's still not up to what? 1. So we pick 0 again. We pick what? 0. shift this thing back again, we have 2 over 3 times 2. If you multiply this, we have 4 over what? 3. This one now, the numerator is 4, denominator is 3. So if you divide this now, it will give you 1 point. So it's up to 1. So we pick that 1. We have here what? 1. Then if you pick the 1 here, if you subtract 1 from here, now what will remain there is 1 over 3. So we push that 1 over 3 back here. We have 1 over what? 3 times 2 again. It will give us 2 over 3. It's not up to 1 again. We pick what? 0 and push this 2 over 3. If you look at this, it looks as if we are repeating something. But let's confirm it by taking a step further. Push this 2 over 3 here again. We have 2 over 3 times 2. This gives us what? 4 over what? 3. I have now confirmed that it's repeating itself again. So we pick 1 here, as we did here. Because of this repetition, we can stop here. Unlike here, where you trace upward, here you trace downward. So we trace it like this. From here, we trace downward. So this will give us, remember, this is the fractional part. So it will start from point with the decimal point. So this will give us 1 over 6 to base 10 will give us what? 0.001 00101 to base what? 2. So we now remember what we did here. We combine this and this. So if you combine this and this, if you now combine this and this one is this one is what? 0.00101 to base 2. If you combine this and this, it gives us what? That's 4 whole number, 1 over 6 to base 10, give us 00. You add this one, it will give you, add this one to this one, you have 0.00101 to base 2. This is the answer to this question. 100.00101 to base 2. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is From Eternity the Schoolboy. You can also follow me on Facebook. My Facebook name is From Eternity the Schoolboy. Please like my videos, share my videos, comment on them. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. God bless you. See you next time.